Botswana is one of the most urbanized countries in Southern Africa. We only have a small population of 2.4 million, but in the next few years, more than a third of the population will be in urban settlements. And that brings with it a host of challenges.
We would like, as a Ministry of Lands and Water Affairs, to express our gratitude about the partnership and the technical support that we have with UN-Habitat on the preparation and implementation of the Segoditshane River Corridor Master Plan, a project that we visualize as a dream for the city of Gaborone. The DIPAS tool, which will help us greatly in terms of community consultations for all our spatial planning projects.
Today we were having a stakeholder consultation session.
The main focus was the Segoditshane River Corridor and the suggestions of improvements towards the project.
We are able to get views of the public in two important areas in Botswana, being the main mall and the bus rank.
You get to consult a variety of people across different sectors, across different population classes.
People of diverse backgrounds, diverse cultures were able to interact and also see this platform to be able to put in their views.
We really believe the issue of a digital participatory system can be an advantage in the uptake of the project by the community, more especially the youth.
We are moving towards smart, sustainable cities, and we need technology.
I love the idea of us going towards the digital way now. Even as the youth, we are involved now in terms of participation.
There's really a very big opportunity, more especially for the students. I feel the partnership would bring some really lucrative opportunities for the students.
We here at BDIH are really excited about the prospect of being at the center of the development of smart cities here in Botswana and in the region.
I'm so happy to see the government here in full force at the UN Habitat Assembly. This partnership which the UN Habitat has with the government of Botswana will only get stronger, and it will help us to make sure that across Botswana, urban development is done in an inclusive, a sustainable, forward-looking way which leaves no one and no place behind.